Sing it in rhyme. It's getting funnier and funnier, isn't it? It's getting funnier and funnier.
Doesn't she look like she's having fun? Yes, she definitely is. This week I'm going to be talking about changing skits on the fly when things aren't working the way, well, you'd planned them to be. So if you want to find out more, then keep watching inside. Hi there, my name is Turna. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and welcome to Feel Good Hypnosis and the street hypnosis tutorials. This week, as every week, I'm going to be showing a short street hypnosis clip. It's going to be lots of fun, so keep watching for that. And then after that, stay tuned. Keep watching after the street hypnosis clip is finished, because I'm going to talk about that clip and some hints and tips and insights into what was going on behind the scenes and inside my thought patterns behind doing those skits. Today, as I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be changing skits halfway through because I'm going to ask her to do something that doesn't work exactly as planned, so I have to change quickly and it goes seamlessly. Nobody notices, and that's the best thing. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. And leave a comment in the comment section below. I really want to hear from you, so drop a comment in the comment section below. Keep it positive, but tell us what you think and tell us what you'd like to see next in these hypnosis videos. I really enjoy making the videos custom to what you're asking for and want to see next, so please leave a comment in the comment section below. In the meantime, let's watch the clip and stay tuned for the breakdown afterwards.
But on the count of three, it's like your name is stuck to the back of your mind, glued and stuck, just like your feet were stuck to the floor. Your name is stuck to the back of your mind. You will not be able to say your name. The more you try and say that name just sticks in the back of your mouth. You know what it's like to forget something when you see that girl on the big screen on the TV and you say, I know that girl's name, but I cannot say it. That name is gone now. That name is stuck at the back of your mind. Nod your head that you understand. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So, anyway, I'm terrible for introductions. My name's Turna, and what's your name when you try and say it? Look at me. Look at me. What's your name? How do you try the harder it sticks? Your name is? Really try. Really try. I tell you what, when you say your surname, when you say your name in rhyme, you can sing it. You can say it. So sing the birthday song. Sing the birthday song. Happy me, happy. Sing it in rhyme. It's getting funnier and funnier, isn't it? It's getting funnier and funnier. The more you try and say your name, the funnier it gets. The more you try and say your name, the funnier it gets. And you start to laugh like a monkey. You start to laugh like a monkey. It just gets funnier and funnier and funnier. Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go.
Wasn't she hysterical? That was a great video. And this is not the first time you've seen this girl. I'll put a little link and an info card up above so you can check out her other video. But stay tuned for this one to find out pieces of information maybe you missed, maybe you can get more clarity on as you watch that video. First thing I want to discuss is that little tapping motion you might see me doing on the back of her neck. Now, in hypnosis, people can be very soothed by that tapping, but that's not exactly why I'm doing it in this situation. It's a force of habit of mine that when I'm telling people that their name is stuck to the back of their head, well, I'm tapping the back of their head just to really give them a sense of where that name might be stuck to. It's open to them. That's only a suggestion, isn't all hypnotic suggestions. Remember, hypnosis is not about control, but just suggestion. So that's just a physical suggestion linking to the verbal suggestion to say, well, maybe it's there, the word stuck. I'm tapping on their neck, not their head, so that's a start of a giveaway, but it's just a suggestion that maybe there's a good place for it to stick. My other point that I love to do in creating amnesia with someone. In this case, I'm getting them to forget their name, so I'm creating amnesia for their name. When I'm doing that little skit, you'll hear me say, remember a time when you were watching a movie and you couldn't remember that character's name on the screen or the TV? What I'm doing is I'm trying to elicit a time where they forgot something. So I'm getting them to remember a time they forgot, and then linking that to them forgetting their name. So it's all about eliciting feelings of forgetting things, that maybe that frustration, that pressure of not being, oh, I know that guy's name on the big screen, but I can't remember that name. And I'm getting that idea, that process of forgetting something, so that they will forget, in this case, their name. So again, it's a beautiful situation, a beautiful metaphor or simile, maybe it is, that's linking the idea of forgetting some movie star's name to forgetting your own name. And that helps with that process of forgetting things. Now, I'm always talking about engaging the audience and being aware of the audience and what they're up to. Sometimes you look back at videos. This is why I always tell people to video record their street hypnosis. Even if they're not going to upload it to YouTube, it's great to look back on and learn little lessons from. In this situation, it's something I missed at the time. I was focusing on the subject and hypnotizing her and giving her the suggestions. But when you look back at the video, it's beautiful to see her two friends, the audience in this case, just two people. There's a few people you can see off to the periphery sort of looking in, but the focus was these two friends of hers and entertaining them with their friends' amazement. But look at their friends' faces as she wakes up and she's about to, well, maybe forget her name, maybe not forget her name. Nobody knows at that stage what's going to happen next. It's up to her as to whether she accepts that suggestion. But look at the intense look in their friends' faces. Look at that excitement that's on their faces as they wait to see if their friend's actually going to forget their name. It's a beautiful moment and a beautiful look on their faces. And of course, what happens next is she can't remember her name, and her friends just burst into laughter. It's a really great moment, and I love looking back at that sort of video, not just to look at the subject and the fun things she gets up to, but the audience around. It's about an audience engagement. If you just stop someone with nobody else around and hypnotize them, it's just not the same as getting involvement and excitement and fun and entertainment for the spectators, the onlookers, as it were. The tension's building, her friends are all excited, they're waiting for that first word out of her mouth. Is she going to say her name? And I've forgotten her name. If I even asked her name, I don't think I did. So right away, as soon as I turn around to her and say, what's your name? And she goes, and she has that just dumbfounded expression on her face. It's not, a silly or embarrassing look, it's just she's shocked that she can't say her name. And that's when her friends bust out laughing. And things just go wildly from there. I try to extend that skit, as I usually do, by getting them to sing the birthday song, and of course they'll say it in rhyme, and I give that suggestion that you will be able to say it in rhyme. But in this situation, that skit sort of breaks down, and it's no fault of hers and no fault of mine. It's just the interaction between the two of us and the responses from her friends laughing, that when she goes to sing happy birthday to me, she's just so amazed by the fact that she can't say her name that she starts to laugh. And this is where I really talk about the idea of always being ready to be improvisational, to change in a moment's notice if something's not going right. So I don't labour on the point and say, no, sing the birthday song. I've told you to sing the birthday song. What I do is I just change direction. She's starting to giggle, so I say that laughter gets heavier and heavier, funnier and funnier. And I change that from singing the birthday song to just getting her to laugh hysterically. And she does. At one point you see her doubling over with a massive belly laugh. She just cannot stop laughing. So that's a new level of hypnotic suggestion that she has accepted. And she was in the middle of sort of a decent giggle, so it just amplified that giggle up even more. And as I said earlier, her two friends were her main audience, but now look what's happening when she starts to laugh like that there. I don't know if these folks behind me, as you can see the footage there, I don't know if they really know what's going on, but they're now paying attention. And this is again a key thing about street hypnosis. If you generate something within the environment of doing the street hypnosis and the subject sort of laughing or giggling or whatever, it draws attention and they become your next subjects to work with. So you'll always have a steady stream of subjects if you get some nice, boisterous sort of fun laughter or something along those lines that draws a crowd and attracts attention. I try to play around with this skit by getting her to maybe laugh like a monkey. You hear me say you laugh like a monkey, but she's laughing that much. I'm not too sure if it is like a monkey or not like a monkey, but she's laughing that much. It's inaudible as to whether she's laughing in any particular way. So I don't extend the skit any longer than I have to. I'm always concerned that she's laughing so much she's hurting herself with her expression on her face. So I thought, right, this is a safe time. Everybody's been entertained by it. It's drawn a bit of attention and crowd. It's time to stop that skit. And at that point, I finish off the skit. So it's always important to know when things just, well, come to their natural conclusions and it's time to move on to the next thing. So I hope those little insights into what was going on there, maybe you saw them, maybe you knew what was going on, maybe you didn't, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think of this video skit and this tutorial breakdown. I really want to get your feedback on, am I telling you things you didn't know? I really want to hear that. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell notification button next to that subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out. And finally, if you want to learn hypnosis, please do reach out. My email details, my social media details are in the description section below, together with links of the video that this girl was in from before. So please check out the description section and contact me if you're interested in learning hypnosis. I release a new video every Sunday, so if you haven't subscribed, then make sure you come back to this channel every Sunday for a new video. Look forward to entertaining you further and teaching you more about hypnosis. See you next week.